In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multilingual functionality to your Wix site. Making your website accessible to speakers of different languages is a fantastic way to reach a broader audience and enhance user experience. We'll walk through how to get this set up step by step. First, let's navigate to your site's dashboard and open the App Market. Alternatively, you could open the Add Elements panel in the Wix Studio editor if that suits your workflow better. Once you're in, simply type in Wix Multilingual in the search bar. When you see it pop up, click Add to Site. This feature will be your gateway to managing all your multilingual needs. Next, it's time to set up the app. Within the editor or dashboard, you'll find a Settings option. Click on it, and then look for Multilingual. Once you're there, hit Get Started. Now you're ready to choose your main language and its associated flag. Do think carefully about this choice, since it cannot be changed later. Once you've selected your main language, it's time to add a secondary language and its flag. Don't worry if you want to add even more languages later on. You'll have that flexibility. Decide whether or not you'd like these additional languages to be visible immediately or prefer to keep them hidden. It might be wise to keep them out of sight until you've completed all the translations to avoid any confusion among your audience. The great thing about Wix is that it automatically detects the translatable content on your site, making it super convenient for you. From here, you have the choice between manual or machine translation. While machine translation offers quick results, the free version may have some word limits. Depending on your preference, you can use either the Translate button or head over to the Multilingual dashboard to manage the translations for text, images, and any other elements on your site. Keep in mind, if you're working with right-to-left languages, you might need to tweak the text alignment and direction. You can do this easily within the editor, ensuring that your site maintains a professional look and feel regardless of the language setting. Finally, when you feel confident that everything is perfectly in place and your translations are spot on, it's time to publish your site. This step makes the new language options available to your audience and marks the completion of this fantastic upgrade to your website. By adding multilingual functionality, you're not only expanding your audience, but also providing a more inclusive and engaging experience for your visitors worldwide. And that's it. Your website is now equipped to welcome users from different linguistic backgrounds. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.